Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn XLOOKUP. So here we have the master data. In that we have the employee ID, department, product, sales revenue, target revenue and the bonus. And in another sheet we have the employee ID and the department. Our task is to get the department name based on the employee ID. So let's get started with the XLOOKUP type XLOOKUP lookup value. In that we will select the employee ID, comma, lookup array. From the master sheet we'll select the employee ID, comma. Now we'll select the return array. So in our case we need the department. So we'll select the department column, comma. If not found, we'll write in double quote not found, close the bracket and hit enter. Now if you change the employee ID based on employee ID, you will get the department names. I hope you like this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook page. Thanks for watching.